Hello viewers, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will show how to migrate a WordPress website from one host to another host, such as localhost to localhost, localhost to live server, and live server to live server. Today we will migrate this site from one local host to another local host. This is our old host. We will migrate or transfer this host site to this new host. So let's get started. First, go to the old host's dashboard and click on the plugin, then add new, and search here, all-in-one WP migration. Plugin link in the description. We will install this plugin. This is a very good plugin. It has 5 million plus active installations, and it's compatible with our WordPress version. Just click on install. After installing, click on active. After the plugin is activated, see an option called All-in-One WP Migration on the left side. Click here. Then click on the Export button and then click on File. Then the export file of the website from your old host will start to be created. The export will take some time depending on the size of your site. Wait until the end. We are skipping the video. After the export file is created, click on the download button. Then the export file of your old host will be downloaded on your PC. After the export file is downloaded, install and activate the all-in-one WP migration plugin on your new host as per the rules before. And hover all-in-one WP migration on the left side, and click import on the pop-up menu. Then click on the import form button and click on file. Then select the export file downloaded from the old host. Only then will the website import to the new host begin. This will also take some time depending on the size of the site. So wait until the end. And try to import the site by deleting the previous contents of your new host. If the content is too much, then reset the site. A video of the site reset is uploaded on our channel. There is a link in the description and I button. You can see it if you want. Finally, they notified us that our site is imported successfully. Click Finish. And check the site is imported correctly. If you like the video, like and comment. And stay with us. Thanks for watching the video.